Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on something I've never done before, and that is leatherworking. Now I have an iPhone 11 here, and I thought a great beginning project for leatherworking would be to make a simple sleeve or case for this phone. Now right here I have some leather that I ordered online. It's half a cow worth of leather, and this should last me for a long time with small projects like this. So I'll be doing a few more of these leatherworking projects in the future, depending on how well this one goes and how much I enjoy it. Now I also purchased a leatherworking kit that's for beginners, so it should have all the simple tools for small projects like this. To be totally honest, this is a fairly cheap kit. I don't know how much of this I'm actually going to use, how much more I'll need, but I've done a little bit of research into leatherworking. I've watched quite a few videos on how to do it. I'm really excited to get started, but this is my first time. Keep that in mind. If I do anything wrong or run into problems, that's why. So I'll be learning as I go, so stick around and see what I come up with. Now I've got everything cut out and the stitching all done. The stitching by far was the hardest part for me. It takes a ton of muscle memory and practice to get used to the stitching. I kept fumbling over the needles and having a really hard time with it. But towards the end, I was starting to feel rhythm. It definitely is going to take a lot of practice, but it was really fun for me. I enjoyed it. So now I have wet the leather so it's damp, and I'm going to put my phone inside with a saran wrap around it to keep any moisture out. I know this phone's water resistant, but I still don't want to chance it. So now I can go in and press down the leather around it to make a really nice glove fit for the phone to fit in there perfectly. Now once this dries, the leather will harden again and hold its shape. Hey, don't forget to check out some more of my videos. Up in the top right corner, you can click on that link and it'll show you a bunch of other videos that I think you would like. Now I'm just about finished up with this leather project, and I think it turned out great for the first one. I definitely learned a lot with this. Obviously I need work on my stitching and I'll get used to that, but another main thing that I'm going to change next time and try is to stamp the leather before I stitch it. I'll stamp it, glue it together, let it dry, then I'll stitch and cut out the excess. That way it will be a whole lot cleaner and the stamping of the leather won't warp the case at all or warp the project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Also hit that bell icon if you want YouTube to notify you when I upload a new video. And if you like this video, hit that like button down below and help me out. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.